Have you ever heard of artificial intelligence? You probably have. But have you ever wondered how this technology might impact your job? Today, we're going to explore 13 jobs that could soon be replaced by artificial intelligence. First up, let's talk about cashiers. With the rise of self-checkout machines, it's becoming more and more likely that human cashiers will be replaced by AI systems in the near future. Next, we have drivers. With the development of self-driving cars and trucks, the need for human drivers may soon disappear entirely. Third, we have customer service representatives. Many companies are already using chatbots and other AI tools to handle customer inquiries, which could eventually eliminate the need for human customer service representatives. Fourth, we have telemarketers. With the development of AI-powered marketing tools, it's becoming less necessary to have human telemarketers making cold calls. Fifth, we have data entry clerks. AI systems can analyze and input data much faster than humans can, which could lead to the replacement of many data entry jobs. Sixth, we have fast food workers. Some fast food restaurants are already experimenting with using robots to take orders and prepare food, which could eventually lead to the elimination of human fast food workers. Seventh, we have stock traders. With the development of AI-powered trading algorithms, the need for human stock traders may eventually disappear. Eighth, we have translators. AI-powered translation tools are becoming more and more sophisticated, which could lead to the replacement of human translators in the near future. Ninth, we have factory workers. Many manufacturing jobs are already being automated, and it's likely that more and more factory workers will be replaced by AI-powered machines in the coming years. 10th, we have financial analysts. With the development of AI-powered financial analysis tools, the need for human financial analysts may eventually disappear. 11th, we have journalists. Some news outlets are already using AI-powered tools to write basic news stories, which could eventually lead to the replacement of human journalists. 12th, we have doctors. While it's unlikely that AI will completely replace human doctors, AI-powered diagnostic tools and medical assistants could eventually lead to significant job losses in the healthcare industry. Finally, we have lawyers. With the development of AI-powered legal research tools and chatbots that can provide basic legal advice, the need for human lawyers may eventually diminish. Of course, it's worth noting that the impact of AI on these jobs may vary depending on a variety of factors, including the speed of AI development, regulatory policies, and the willingness of companies and individuals to embrace these technologies. But it's clear that AI will continue to have a significant impact on the job market in the years to come, and it's up to all of us to prepare for these changes and find ways to adapt to the new realities of the workplace.